Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create interactive content for e-commerce using Outgrow. Content that not only engages your audience, but also ranks and converts. First, log into your Outgrow dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of interactive content types you can create. Since we're focusing on e-commerce, let's select the e-commerce recommendation option. You can start from scratch or explore pre-made templates. For this demo, we'll choose a pre-made template. Once it's open, you'll see the builder screen. Here, you can add multiple questions to your interactive content. Starting with the welcome screen, you can add a heading, for example, which skin cream that suits you best, and a subheading with any supporting text you want. In the overall design settings, you can upload your logo, adjust colors, and even add images or videos to make the experience more engaging. Now let's add our first question. For example, what is your skin type? You can add options like normal, oily, or dry. Similarly, you can add additional questions based on your product or audience needs. Next, in the recommendations section, you can choose the number of recommendations to show, set similar product recommendations, and add any necessary requirements. In the page settings, you can add a heading and a subheading to guide your users through the experience. For mapping products, link each response to the appropriate products. For example, if a user selects normal, you can map products where the title or tag contains normal. Once mapped, the products will display according to the user's responses. Finally, preview your interactive content to see how it works in real time. Once you're satisfied, simply click Go Live, and your e-commerce interactive content is ready to engage and convert your audience. That's it! You've now created SEO-friendly, conversion-optimized interactive content for your e-commerce store using Outgrow. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.